Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use Codeium for code completion. Codeium is an AI powered tool that helps you write code faster and more efficiently by providing intelligent code suggestions. So let's get started. First, ensure that you have the Codeium extension installed in your code editor. If you have not installed it yet, check out my previous tutorial on how to install Codeium plugins for VS Code. Open your code editor and sign in to your Codeium account if prompted. Make sure the Codeium extension is activated. Now start a new project or open an existing project in your preferred programming language. Now, Codeium supports a wide range of languages like Python, JavaScript, Java, and many more. As you start typing your code, you will notice that Codeium provides real-time suggestions. These suggestions will appear in a drop-down menu right next to your cursor. To accept a suggestion, simply select Tab or Enter. Codeium will insert the suggested code snippet into your project. If you want to see more suggestions, you can use the arrow keys to navigate through the list of options provided by Codeium. Now to customize Codeium suggestions, go to the extension settings. Here you can adjust preferences like the number of suggestions shown, language specific settings, and many more. If you encounter any issues or need help, you can access Codeium's documentation and support through the extension settings or their website. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Codeium for code completion. This tool significantly boosts your coding productivity by providing you smart code suggestions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.